Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Palworld box opening video. These Palworld boxes I found on AliExpress. This is my second box and I'm really excited to get it open and oh wait, here's the new one. There they are. Beautiful, beautiful Palworld packs. So I've learned a little something about this. So the idea is we get 12 regular packs and then the 13th pack is the special pack which we opened first time. Now from the feel of it, I think that is the special pack. So I'm going to put this one over here. So let's move that beautiful box out of the way. The day they actually bring out proper Palworld cards, I'm going to keep those boxes as storage for it because it's going to look very nice. So I really hope you enjoyed the last video that I did of these Palworld packs. If you haven't seen it already, I'll put a link somewhere, probably in the top right corner. That's where the links normally go. But if you haven't yet, check it out because I got out some really good cards. I'll throw a couple of them up on screen now just so you can see them. Yes, they're very nice indeed. So I've been dead excited to actually burst into these new packs. So let's see what we've got. Flambella. Alright, so I've got one of these already, but still very nice, very nice. And then, oh, a new one. We've got a new one. We've got Bushi, that's who it is, Bushi. Completely forgot his name, dead embarrassed about that. What a great start. So let's put them right in the middle there, just really show them off. Okay, so what I'm really hoping for today, and I think I get it with the special card, is Menacing. Menacing is my favorite, so fingers crossed I pick up a Menacing. Okay, so let's see, big reveal. Oh, we got Grintail. Grintail was my first mount. We managed to get the boss version of Grintail. I was allowed to keep him, managed to get the saddle for him, and I was running around with him. His body slam was absolutely awesome, so he holds a special place in my heart. And we've got some food cards to go with it. Very nice. One of these awesome little foodie cards. So yeah, so if this is your first time looking at these Palworld cards, like I say, that you can get these on AliExpress. I put a link in the description below for it if you want to check them out. Though the prices have crept up, so I don't know if they've cottoned on that they slowly become more popular. Right, and in this pack we've got, oh, we've got a Sui. Very nice. That's a nice little one, isn't it? They're just very simple art, so not really for playing, though they do have numbers, so I'm not sure if you could come up with something about it, but without any effect, I'm not sure how challenging it would be. And Digtoys, right? So we've got 2 Digtoyses now. That's good. I mean, I'd rather not have copies, but you know, it's it might be good for trading if I can convince some one of my other friends to start getting some. You know, maybe he could take the hit. I trade him a Digtoys. He gives me, I don't know, a super rare Menacing. That would be pretty awesome. Okay, and then next up we got a Sweeper. Wait, so that's not sweet, right? So we've got Sweet and we've got Sweeper. That's pretty good. I always get mixed up with them two just because one's just got a mustache, you know? Like, maybe I should do that with Shard TCG and actually put just a mustache on something and call it something else, you know? Easy artwork to do. And we've got some more meat. Is this the green meat as I got last time, number 26? I'm not sure. So I've got 17 and 16, and now I've got 26 as a piece of meat too. So yeah, it's a different one. Alright, so let me know in the comment section what your favourite Palworld cards actually are. I've shared mine, share yours, right? So mine's Menacing, so you can't pick Menacing. No, I know he's the coolest, but you can't pick Menacing. Alright, oh my god, Chill It! This is a very popular one. I'm so happy to have got this one. We've got Chill It! Chill It, I love you. Oh my god. Oh, that's so awesome. And we've got another Lovander. Right, oh, but that Chill It, look at that. Yes. So happy with that card. Let's show it off in the light a bit more. Get it twinkling. Right, and Lovander's nice. Lovander's nice, but like I say, we've already got a Lovander. I'm probably not giving the ones I've already seen much time, much justice, but you know, on with the video. We want to see some new stuff. If you want to look at Lovander, look at the previous video. All right, what do we feel this one is? What do we feel it is? I'm thinking, I can't even think of a pal right now. I would like an alt one in Ichthyodia Terra. That's what I would like, one of the alt ones. Here we go. And it's Dinossum. Okay, so we've seen Dinossum before. It's very nice, very nice. So I've got another double up. And then we've got, oh, more meat. More meat, number 26. So we've got double up in the same pack, which we didn't get last time. I wasn't sure if maybe they were a bit clever with that. But somehow they made the boxes without any dupes at all, because I thought that was strange. Okay, next packet, here we go. The material for these packs as well, they're quite nice. I wouldn't mind some shard packs in these. I need to find out some alternate printing companies. This was something I talked about doing, submitting the same cards to lots and lots of printing companies and then getting them all back and then checking out the result of those and comparing different printing companies. There would be some good information to share with some people there. Oh, the Van Worm, right, so we've already had a Van Worm. I would love a Van Worm Chris, that's one of my favourites as well. I like a nice icy boy. And we've got some, is there like jerky or something there? Number 27, so he's going to park this one next to number 26 there, my foodie one. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. So yeah, other printing companies, if you've got any to suggest, that would be quite handy just to get me started. It's something I was meant to do last year, I think, you know, so I'm like pretty behind on it. It always seems like a good project for the future. It never seems like a good project for now. But I will have to get a move on it. Okay, what do we think? What do we think? Give it a rub. Give it a rub and flip. Oh, it's a Kelpsy. Right, so we've seen Kelpsy on the last video as well. But, you know, he's a cute little guy. A Kelpsy Ignis would be nice. At least one alternate this video would be pretty good. And then we go, oh, we've got Beacon. We've got Beacon. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, look at that one shine. Yes. I absolutely love Beacon. He's just an awesome, like, lightning bird. You know, this is like what Zapdos should have been. You know, sorry, that's probably blasphemy to any Pokemon fans out there. But I think Zapdos, he's a spiky boy. He's a bit too spiky. Beacon, he's got like a little bit of spike, but he definitely doesn't overdo it. Very nice. Oh my god. Right. So how many we got left here? We've got 4 left, and then we've got the special pack, okay? So we want to stay tuned for the special pack because we want to see me get my Menacing. And if I don't get my Menacing, I'll have to order some more Palworld cards because I need my Menacing. It's the rules. Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh, it's Univolt. Okay, right. So we've seen Univolt before. That's okay, that's okay. You know, we're allowed a few dupes. I'm getting quite a few dupes. I thought maybe we wouldn't get as many. Right, so Mamarest Steak. That's one I actually know. I actually know the name of that. It's Mamarest. Is it Mamarest Steak? Mamarest Joint? Something like that. It's from a Mamarest. Hopefully, we get a Mamarest card and then I can show you. Right, 3 more to go here. And then the special card, which is definitely a Menacing, you know. If you are submitting one of your favorite pals at the bottom and it ends up being this one, then it's your fault I didn't get my Menacing. It's absolutely your fault. And I think in that case you should go on AliExpress and actually buy one of these packs for yourself. Get yourself your own card, or maybe get me a Menacing and send me the Menacing. You can keep the rest. This is an alternate back. This is going to be... Is this going to be a special card of some kind? Because I see there's a few different versions of these cards. This is interesting. Okay. So let's see what we've got first. It's Hangyu. Right. So we've got Hangyu before. But this next one could be something special. It's one of the art pieces. Right. So I figured this out last time. So I managed to pick up Anubis. Right. And Anubis is the bottom right. This one either goes next to Anubis or is the next one along because of the grass. I'm guessing he's at the bottom of the picture. I'll have it up on screen now just to make it easy on some people, just so you can see where we're up to. But I've got Anubis and now I've got the penguin. Oh god, what's he called? Let me know if you know the name of the penguin. Just remind me, please. Okay, next up we've got... Oh, Mosander. Mosander we've already seen as well. So many dupes in this one. So many dupes. We're getting some new foods though. Look at that one. Oh man. Good job I've just eaten this time. Last time I said I was fasting. This time I've just been out to one of my favorite little restaurants called In Shanghai. It's like a all-you-can-eat Chinese buffet. Okay. Last pack here. Here we go. I got myself some beef. I got myself some pork. Got myself lots of rice, some chow mein. Just everything I could want. And then jelly and ice cream. It's like one of the things I absolutely love is jelly and ice cream. Now, what the hell is this background? What the hell? That I have not seen. This is new. This is pretty new. And maybe it's a good thing we've left this one till last. So we've got Woolly Pop, another dupe, another dupe. Oh my god. Right, so Woolly Pop, and then hopefully Woolly Pop makes it worth it. We've got... Oh my god, I've never had one of these ones before. Check that out. Was that supposed to be like a Lift Monk chibi lolly thing? I don't know. What is it? Look at that. That is brand new. That, whoa. Hey. Right, so that's definitely like a pretty rare one, I think. Number 15, okay, cool. I'm starting to look at the numbers now to just get a better grasp because they're going in order in my little book. Alright, last pack. This is the special card. Oh baby. Here we go. I saw the corner, but it was no important information. Here's the special card. Right. Here we go. Comes down to this. Menacing. Chant it with me. Menacing. 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 Oh, it's Anubis. That's still pretty cool. That's still pretty cool. It's not Menacing, but it's Anubis. I mean, that's a good one. That's number 4. I don't even know what Menacing's number is because there's no lists anywhere. I tell you what, if I actually complete this collection, I'll go on the wiki, make a card game, and I'll actually upload all of these pictures just so people have some information on it, you know? Right, so we got some cool cards. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Menacing, which is what I was really hoping for. But we did get Anubis. He's pretty popular. I might be tempted to trade it, but, you know, nobody else has ever bought these cards as far as I know. Check them out on AliExpress if you want to get some. If you do get yourself a Menacing, let me know. I might be interested in taking it off your hands. Even though these aren't really playable cards, they are just fun cards to collect. And something else that I've done is I bought some different cards of other brands and everything on AliExpress, and I'm thinking, should I start this like goofy little series? Now you could do Pokemon pack openings, you could do Magic the Gathering pack openings, you could do Yu-Gi-Oh pack openings, but they've all been done. What I want to see is weird cards on AliExpress that no one has ever seen before. You know, do something new. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you hit that like button. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And I hope to see you guys next time. I've been James. Goodbye.